Hi, welcome to Pre-Algebra. This is the tutorial for My Foundations Lab. In Pre-Algebra, all of our assignments and tests are done in My Foundations Lab, and I am going to show you how to get there. Just a little side note first, our discussion questions are completed in Angel like in your other classes. So you'll come here to do your discussions under the Lessons tab, Week 1. You can click on that and do the discussion. You can also view the PowerPoints here. These are like our textbooks. We don't have a textbook for this class. The PowerPoint is your textbook, and you can watch this. When you click on that, it will download, and you'll need to watch it as a slideshow in PowerPoint, or else it'll be a mess. It has a bunch of animations, and it's really messy unless it's running as a slideshow. So that's what you'll do here in Angel, is you can watch those and do the discussion in Angel. To get to My Foundations Lab, you click here on the My Foundations Lab link. Good idea, huh? The username is your Steven Henniger username, and the password is your Steven Henniger password. If you have a problem with that, if that's not working, try education as your password. And if that is not working, then you can try to think of, if you've changed your username or password, it might be one of your old ones, or you can contact your instructor and we can find that out for you. Once you're in, you'll click on your class. You won't have any choices. You'll just have one. So click on your class, and then this is the main page. To get back to this main page, if you just click on Course Home, that will take you back here if you want to access that. Run the browser check. This will make sure that you just click on this and it'll walk you through it. It takes about 1 minute, and it just checks your computer to make sure you have the necessary software to make this program work, and the drivers, and it'll help you get them if you don't. You can also watch a tutorial on how to enter your answers. I think this takes maybe 5 minutes. Some of our students have had problems figuring out how to enter the answers, so this is a good idea. And then when you are ready to work on your assignment, you come over here to Assignments. You have to click again here. And then all of them show up on the available date. They're available a couple of days before the class starts, although you can't access this until then anyway, but these are available. You can click here, Week 1 assignment, Week 1 test. If you see that there's a little flag here, that means that there's a prerequisite. So this one will have a prerequisite as well. But you have to do the Week 1 assignment before you do the Week 1 test. To get to your assignment, you click here on Week 1 assignment, and I go to question 1. Or if you've already worked on it, you can go to whatever question you're on. Let me show you some of the cool features of this. So say I come here and I say determine whether, well, I already did that one, I'll do a different one. Well, okay, determine whether 23 is prime, composite, or neither. So I pick composite, I check my answer, it's wrong. Sometimes they tell you the answer if it's a multiple choice. Sometimes they don't. If I want to practice this again, so I'm going to get this wrong on the assignment unless I choose similar exercise. Then it'll give me another one. Determine whether 3 is prime, composite, or neither. I choose prime. And then I check my answer, and it says, excellent, I got it right. So, and each time there's going to be a different number here, but it's the same problem. When you're ready, like if you feel like you've mastered that, you can move on to the next question. I'm going to pick a different one so we can look at it. Okay, here's a factor tree. Well, that's another one, not the same kind. Sorry, I'm just skipping around. Okay, find the greatest common factor. So say I don't really know how to do this. I can click over here to help me answer this, and it will walk you through step by step to show you how to do this type of problem. The PowerPoint also will show you how to do this type of problem. But this, if you're in a thing and you just really don't get it, you can come over to help me answer this. You can also view an example, watch a video. there are a few different, a lot of them have different things over here, but they are all helps to help you answer these. You also can rework a problem, like say you finished that and then you weren't really sure. Well, for one thing, if you choose help me answer this, you're going to have to do it again with different numbers. They're not going to walk you through how to answer it and then let you just be done with it. You have to go back through and show that you learned how to answer it. So they'll give you different numbers. If you want more practice on it, you can just keep clicking similar exercise until you get it. So you can work each problem as many times as you need to understand it. That is on the assignments. On the tests, you only get 2 chances on each one. So you can do it once. If you don't get it right, then you can do it a second time, and if you still don't get it right, that's just it. So you can only work it a second time. And there are also no helps on the test. So you'll want to spend your time on the assignment. The assignment's worth a lot more anyway. You spend your time on the assignment, learning how to do those problems, and then you go to the test. The problems will be the same with different numbers, and there's also a word of the week thing that you can get the answer to that by coming to the Illuminates. If you wanted to watch the PowerPoints, you would click over here in PowerPoints, and you'll need to have QuickTime loaded onto your computer to watch those, or you can watch them in Angel. Some other things we have to check your grades. And this is going to look different on yours, but you come to Course Tools, and there should be a grade book under Course Tools. You can also, if you want some extra help, come over to Math and go to Extra Practice, and you can do more assignments in any topics, clear from, basic addition, subtraction, basic number stuff, all the way up through trigonometry. So you probably won't need all of that, but it's here and it's available to you your entire time you're at Stevens Henniger. Oh, maybe this is where you find your scores. Try that. You can check in my scores for math. Okay. And Smart Thinking is available here as well as in your other class that you can get like tutoring help in Smart Thinking. And I think that's all. So don't get behind on your assignments. It's best to keep up if you can. This class is intended to not require a lot of work. So, you should be able to do it in really a few hours a week. So if you have questions, contact your instructor, and good luck.